Welcome back to the Learning Studio. You're watching our mathematics series, where we explore the hidden structures that power science, technology, and artificial intelligence. If you're new here, don't forget to follow us by clicking the link below. And remember, the full playlist is also in the description, so you can catch up on every episode. Today, we're diving into a field that explains how information is measured, transmitted, and even compressed into your devices. It's called information theory, and it's the mathematics that makes the digital world possible. Let me take you back to 1948. A young mathematician named Claude Shannon published a paper called A Mathematical Theory of Communication. This single work revolutionized technology. Shannon showed that information, something abstract and intangible, could actually be measured with mathematics. And from that moment, information theory became the foundation of digital communication, from telephones to satellites, from the internet to artificial intelligence. Core concepts explained simply. Here are the key ideas in information theory. Entropy. Entropy measures uncertainty. Imagine you're flipping a fair coin. The outcome is unpredictable, so the entropy is high. But if the coin is rigged to always land on heads, the entropy is low. Entropy tells us how much information we gain from each message. Mutual information. This concept tells us how much two systems share in terms of information. For example, how much knowing about one variable reduces uncertainty about another. In machine learning, mutual information helps us understand relationships between features and labels. Coding theory. How do we transmit messages efficiently and reliably? Coding theory designs methods to compress data without losing meaning and to correct errors during transmission. Every time you stream a video, make a phone call, or download a file, coding theory is working silently in the background. Together, these ideas answer questions like, how much can we compress data? How much noise can a channel tolerate? How do we ensure messages arrive intact? Why it matters in AI and technology. Information theory isn't just about communication systems. In artificial intelligence, it's everywhere. Entropy is used in decision trees to choose the best splits. Mutual information helps in feature selection and deep learning. Coding theory principles inspire data compression in neural networks. Beyond AI, information theory powers the internet, wireless communication, cryptography, and even our understanding of DNA sequences. Without it, the modern world simply wouldn't exist. So, information theory transformed information from something abstract into something we could measure, manipulate, and master. It's the mathematics behind every text message, every Google search, and every AI model. In our next episode, we'll explore graph theory and network science. From social networks and search engines to knowledge graphs and graph neural networks, this field reveals how connections shape the world and how mathematics helps us understand them. Don't forget to follow us by clicking the link below and check out the full playlist in the description. Each episode uncovers another layer of the mathematical universe, and trust me, you'll want to see where this journey goes next.